Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or create new trigger in Google Apps script. So triggers are like automatic reminder or timer for your script. They tell your script to run by itself at a specific time or when something happen, like when you open a document or change a cell. This way you don't have to run the script manually every time. It's work auto. So we are going to create it by using custom code and we are going to add code in Google Sheet. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google Sheet, spreadsheet. So we already added code without any trigger. Now you see extension, so click on it and then you see app script. So again click on it. So this code we added before. So we are going to replace it. So we are going to add new code with trigger function. So we are going to create trigger auto. There are two ways to create trigger by code or create trigger manually. So it's up to you. So we are going to add code. Now paste. So we added function create daily trigger. Now you see time based. So you can add your code. First click on save. So after that we are going to execute it. Run. Now you see authorization required. So we are going to give permission. So click on it and then you see choose an account. So again click on it and then you see Google has not verified this app. Now you see advanced, back to safety. So click on advanced button. So when we click on advanced button, now you see go to untitled project. So again click on it and then click on continue. Now you see authorization successful, execution started and completed. Now go to trigger. Now you see trigger created by code we added, even time based. If you want, you can create trigger manually. Now you see add trigger button, so click on it. So you can select option according to requirement, create daily trigger, my function, head, spreadsheet, what event type you want, on open, edit, change, form submit, notify me daily and then click on save. So when you click on save, again you will authorize or give permission to your project by using or select your Gmail account like we did before and then your trigger will be created. So we created trigger by using code auto. Now you see back to code again. Now you see editor, so click on it. So this code run every day 9 a.m. This run daily at 9 a.m. So when this time come, so this code will add in spreadsheet auto. So in this way you can create trigger. So you can create trigger manually or you can create trigger by using code in app script. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.